Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this VW remote key fob. First thing is to press this little button here to remove the blade out of the top of the housing. Next thing we do is remove this cover here. We do so by sliding it this way towards the lock pin there, like so. Just take off the top. Now the case here splits open, so we got our little flat-headed screwdriver. There's 2 points either side, here and here. We just pop it in and give it a twist. Releases the cover. There you go, and there is your key fob battery. You just get a little tiny screwdriver, just pop it in, pop it underneath, and remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. You just simply get our new key fob battery, and we just stick it back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing upwards. And then we know it's in its correct location, like so. And just get this half of the case. Make sure it's all lined up correctly. Click it in place. Pop this back on top. Just slide it across. Make sure it clicks and then pop the blades back in. And there you go, it's all done.